morning, it's Patriot Magnets. We're here in our, well, another place that we've visited last time. Yeah. It's proved to be a good one, so we're going to see what other treats we can get. Hunting. Yes. When we warm up.
Yeah, definitely. Well, you soon do, don't you? Once you get the warm up,
yeah.
You're alright.
Right, I'm going to use the 330 to start with. Steve's going to use the 550. And let's see what treats.
And that's not even on, you know what, look at that, that's not even on the magnet, that's just off the side of the magnet.
Yeah, man.
That's holding it off the side of the magnet.
Love it.
How powerful is that? Long, isn't it? There you go, spare wheel. I need a spare wheel for mine actually. I've got one of these for a bit, Scotty. I must say that one, it's a stone one. Scooter.
Bottle cap. And this tin thing. And as you saw, there's a big fence here. This with a 330. Oh. That's a big part of the fence. Some more of that fence. I mean, look at that. Look at that glass there. So if people are jumping in, that'd go straight through the foot. If people jump in. Absolutely shocking. Oh, look at that. It's like a little speedometer clock thing. Made in England. Look at that, Steve. That's cool, isn't it? Oh yeah. I don't know what that is. It looks like a, could be a thermostat of some kind. I'll have a look at that. That's something different, isn't it?
That looks like the old weights of the old windows.
Oh yeah, that's window weight.
Yeah, looks like one of them. Looks like a sash window weights. Piece of exhaust. Exhaust pipe.
Scooter number 2. There we go. Scooter number 2.
Wheel number 2.
Yeehaw!
Wheel number 2. With a hammer. Look, a bit of a hammer. Looks like a little ball hammer.
The old 7-Up can. Remember the old ring pull? Remember them babies? Lemon and lime. No stress, no pressure, no idiots. Just a bit of a metal bar and whatever that is. I've got a clue. Do you reckon, Steve? Car part?
Horn.
A horn?
Yeah, it looks like a horn. An air horn. That's what I think. Scottish found an air horn. I wonder what that to that as well.
Yeah, man. I don't know what this is, so we'll have a look at that as well. It's got a stone on it.
It is a weight, that, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a mint find. Let's get this on you. Little treats. Biggest one in 4 counties.
Looks like the old grocery weights.
When I used to train at home, I had a monkey gym, you know, one of them where you have like the peg deck at the back, the bench, the shoulders, and then the leg thing. That took a lot of room.
Yeah, it does. You need like either big garage or spare room, don't you? There you go. There you go. ID badge.
Someone's ID.
Found a police identification badge, but I'm hiding. I'm not showing the name or the photo for various reasons.
You know what, Steve? That purse that we found, I'm sure she was... That purse? Yeah. I'm sure she was gone.
I wonder whether that was in the purse as well.
Oh, Right. Back on the files again. Okay, that's different. I don't know what that is. It's cool though. And then a hook.
Scotty's found a nice little foot plate.
No. I need it.
You know what? I need a light to be.
Yeah, to be run like that. Yeah. What's that? Is that a grid thing? Minus its bendy bit. Yeah.
Wonder what that is.
Yeah, definitely. Exactly. Yeah, what's this? It's a slide. Let's slide down some treats. And a nice padlock. Flipping slider. Nothing ever amazes me now. Let's slide over there for a minute. Crackers, innit?
Looks like an old sailing case, that, is it?
It's a slide, yeah. Someone's been sliding in.
Oh well, they're enjoying this.
And a nice little padlock.
Yeah. Well, it's good that you're cleaning it up.
It is, yeah.
Haven't you found your pot of gold yet?
No.
You've,
Might have to go back to work Monday. We keep trying though. Thank you.
Roundabout.
Climbing through.
Right.
Got the bikes.
Try using a lot, isn't it? Yeah, it's never bite that.
Yeah, lock, won't it?
Yeah. First bite, quite a heavy one. Looks like an old cash box.
Nice big old cast frying pan.
Fry up for dinner.
A nice spinner there. Yeah. I know, then get something else. Something else pops up. Oh, that's a thick bar. All right.
Are you fishing from them too?
Yeah, getting all the rubbish out. Pardon?
Is that a magnet?
Yeah. Yeah, strong magnets.
I've never ever seen this all before.
Yeah, so you just basically throw it wherever you want.
Yeah.
It collects to whatever's magnetic.
Is it like a bicycle or something?
Yeah, we've got scooters out, there's fencing there. We've had motorbikes out.
And why do you filming?
For YouTube. Patriot magnets. So film all our finds,
Yeah.
get all the rubbish put away.
Yeah.
Scrap guy comes, tidies up.
Yeah.
Everyone's a winner.
Do you get any cash?
No.
Not even any cash?
No, just leave it to the scrap person and then
So it's literally a good deed type of tidying up then?
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's our hobby as well, so
Yeah, okay.
it's nice and therapeutic at the water.
Yeah, you look like you've catch some nice metal.
Yeah. Well, that's it. You're guaranteed to catch something with this than normal fishing.
Yeah. Well, it's interesting angling, isn't it?
It is, yeah, and sometimes like we speak to people that have got narrow boats
Yeah.
and they tell us stuff where, you know, they're always banging on the bottom.
Breaking something, yeah.
So obviously we have a look, it's probably a shopping trolley or something, so, you know, the kids have thrown in.
Yeah.
So we get that out, you know, help them as well.
Yeah, yeah.
You know.
You learn it every day.
Thank you.
Spoon and
That.
that's on a dead body.
Okay. Load of junk bars. Yeah. Look at that fishy. Oh, that's a live one.
Yeah, I think
Look at that beauty. A load of keys and a foot pump. Look at them babies. We'll have a bit of that, won't we? Steve's on a boot. Is that a cowboy boot?
someone's getting the boot then, aren't they?
Yeah. Someone's been booted in. Yeah, boot. got a truck wheel. I've got my rubbish bucket.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Someone had the boot in. That shows how powerful this is though, isn't it? Because that just would have been
TONKA wheel.
Oh aye!
Off the old TONKA trucks.
Wonder what that is. Again, isn't it? Real crop. That's a good find, isn't it?
Good Del Boy one. I love it.
An old mobile.
Very mobile, that, isn't it?
You know what? You know what? And a skateboard again, fella.
Nice. It's elusive, that skateboard.
That skateboard's doing my head in.
What is that? I've not got a clue. Probably. Is that part of a car steer, what?
I know what that is. That's the thing off the toilet. That's the
You bend?
no. That no, your system.
Yeah.
That goes into your system, and that's what the trunk.
Say that again, Ski.
That's connected to your that's connected to your handle, to your foot, causes a suction of what it is.
Bit of a toilet job.
Yeah.
These little kiddies' wheels. Absolutely bonkers. Hey up.
First night.
Ooh.
First night of the day.
Alright, we're going to hide that away because there's a kid behind me. Don't want the kids to see it. Well, there you go. You know what I'm going to say, don't you? Right, so this is part 2 of the cleanup video. You've obviously seen all the things that were pulled out when we revisited the site again, and one thing you can't see on here is the police ID, because as well as last time, what we found out was it matched up with the purse that we found last time. So it is pending with the police, and at the end of this video you'll be able to figure out and find out what's the score with it. Anyway, we'll crack on with this. So I'll just go for this little hammer that Steve found, little hammerhead. A little fishing apparatus, this little spinner here. That can be put to some use. Look at this dude here, it feels really fleshy. It's quite weird actually. Look at the size of the hook on that baby. Yeah man. Yee. I don't think we've had this one before, so I thought I'd show it. Because you've seen every other one that I put on numerous times. We do have some good old money. There we are, 5p for free. This little wheel, is it called a caster wheel? I don't know. And it goes on the bottom of something. But I just thought it looked kind of cool if we clean it up a bit. But obviously, you know, it breaks, so that'll just go in the scrap. Yeah, cool that. Yeah, this made the cut because I ain't got a clue what it is, so I thought I'd show you guys. If I've not got a clue of anything, I'll show you. It has got holes around the edges, as well as this looks like possibly there. I don't know, some piece of rubber or something sat there. Maybe a seal. I think, yeah. I got a clue what that is. Same again, I think Steve pulled this out, this contraption. These look like filaments for electricity, I don't know. But this part moves about like that. And what happens is you can actually take it apart. So you can actually see it there. That bit comes off there, that looks like it's part of a plug. And obviously that bit comes off. But yeah, with the end in there, it's quite weird and strange. So obviously that locks onto something. Yeah, it's different. Not the usual things to find. Got all these babies, all these keys here. Now, I went through some of them. I think one of my favourite one is this one, the Squire one, the padlock one. There's another one somewhere as well. I'm going to go through them all. No, maybe that's just a padlock. That was sat up on here, but it fell off. So yeah, there we go. These locks normally sit on wheel clamps or motorbike and scooter locks, but obviously, like I keep saying, the lock is only good as far as the chain is. You know, look at that, it's not even been jibbed, chain's just been cut. So there you go, LCC hardened, treat yourself. This is a file, but just goes in the scrap because it's filed itself off. Only got a bit in the smeg pile over there today. There's all the little bits that we was going to look at, but they just end up being rubbish. Yeah, I thought I'd show you this. There's an old TONKA wheel of a kid's TONKA truck. It does say MR970, so I don't know if that's something to do with the model. But if we find anything, you know, I'll put something on screen about it. This knife here from Betterware, made in England. This is a good retro find. Now it was all squashed, so I tried to like get it sorted again. But it's the 7-up and it's the ring pull as well. I'm not sure at what date they stopped doing these ring pulls, but if I find a date I'll put it on. But yeah, it's cool that, nice and retro. And that looks like a foot plate off the side of the canal or a drainage system or pylons. Yeah, it's different. Speaking of retro finds as well, You've got £7 weight here. These are the ones that have got the bar in the middle. There is different sorts. I'll try and find a picture of it. And the cool thing about it is, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this, it's got ER and then like the crown of the royal crown, the royal crest, and 304. If I find any information about that, I'll put it on. But I've only just wiped all the crud off it because Steve wants to tidy that baby up. I ain't got a clue what this was, but Steve said it's a horn off a car. Yeah, it's different, isn't it? It does have some engraving stamp there. It says Lucas 9H England. So, you know, if we find any information about that, we'll put it on. Now, I ain't got a clue what this is, but I think it's some sort of gauge. And obviously when I was cleaning it up, all the bits inside fell off. But that looks like a filament or a fitment for something, for the element. I will put a little picture of what it looked like when I pulled it up, so people can judge what it is. I ain't got a clue, but it's cool. It's like a little porthole. Right, Steve pulled this baby up. It says BS6102 part 3. And it looks like the backlight, front light of something. Will still click about. And I think the batteries have come out. There you go, ladies and gents. Ultra light, treat yourself. Look at that, eh? That's oud, vintage. Speaking of vintage, Del Boy wants his phone back, Steve. Look at this baby. This made our day when Steve pulled this up. Vodafone, check this baby out. Look at that, you get a better signal now. Vodafone Racal. And it's got on the back handheld portable model EB3601. So what that is a Panasonic D series, I think, and I will put a picture up of it. Check that baby out. Look at that, you can whack your headphones in, do a bit of hands free, you know what I mean. Now this made us laugh because we're reading some features on this, and the battery time, if you're talking on it, you've got 60 minutes, but if not, you've got 8 hours of standing battery time. But if you're that quick to change a battery within 2 seconds, you can keep the call going for longer. Now obviously these batteries are not made for 2-second job. Look at that, that's a beauty, that. Love it. Nice one, Steve. So I'm not sure if we're going to hit that place again because well, one point I want to say was that I got let down by my scrap guy. And I was told off a neighbour that someone turned up and then had a look at it and then jibbed off. That don't fly with me, so that person won't be called again. But yeah, thanking to a lovely gentleman who I contacted. He went and collected the scrap and basically helped us out, so thank you very much. Don't always rely on people, make sure, keep going back or check that it's gone, because yeah, that was disgraceful. But luckily someone got it sorted, and thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. So as you'll see next is a little short video about handing in the purse and the ID. So you beauts, me and Mrs B's driving there. We're just on a bit of a road trip to hand in these items here. The purse that I found with the money in and ID, and the identification for their police that Steve found, so it all matches the same person. So we're going to go drop it off at the police station. Right, we're heading up to the police station now.
With our masks.
Yeah, put the masks on. There's the Rochdale division. So I'll see you in a mo. So the story behind the purse is that it was lost 5 years ago by the person on the identification, and it's weird that we found the purse one week and then the next week we found the ID, but they both belong to the same person and it's in the hands of the police at the moment. How rude, I'm making a video, you know what I mean? And they basically have contacted the person, handed the goods to them, so job done. That's why I've not featured it on any of the videos, because it's their personal items. Take care.